How to see your subscribers on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch any web browser, suppose Google Chrome. Click search bar and type in youtube.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Then you will navigate to the official interface of YouTube. Sign in to your account. Click the profile icon of your YouTube account at top right corner and now select YouTube Studio. Then you simply need to visit the dashboard of your channel, scroll down, and here you will see your recent subscribers, so click on See All. And here you can easily filter out and click on Lifetime at top right, and from this drop down you can easily select last 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, 365 days or lifetime. So when you click on Lifetime, you will see all your subscribers from Lifetime. Here you can easily filter from date, subscribe or subscribers count as well. So in this way you can easily see all your subscribers on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.